Okay, so good day guys. Today is going to be a making of a catchy business flyer. So we're going to be making a catchy business flyer. How to make a catchy business flyer quickly. We move over to Chrome and type poster my wall. Then we go to new design. Alright, it's already coming up. So once it's opened already. So we search for business cards. So once it comes up, we'll be seeing a lot of them. We just want to get a very catchy one that we can use for our business card. Okay, let's wait patiently. It's going to open up now. Alright, that is it here. Okay, so there are many of them here. If you just go down, you still see so many of them. Catchy business cards that you can make use of. Okay, I think let's make use of the first one here. Let's make use of this one. Okay, we are opening it up already. We're making a catchy business card, so have that in mind. So what is just required is just to edit it, because the design is already there. What you have to do is just to edit, like your company name and all that. Alright, this part or this side of the business card is something pertaining to you personally, while the other side is something pertaining to the company. Alright, like here has Mukus Valerus, commercial vehicle salesman, phone number and website. You can quickly just change the name. Say Marcus Valerus. So let's change the name and then put something like Bright Bright okay, Bright okay, Bright Namdi, commercial vehicle salesman. Okay, now the phone number, let's change it. We put something like our country code +234, then the phone number 81263356, just a random number. Then the website can be okay, let's just change any websites. To www.bright1.com. Good. So this is personally for the details pertaining to the owner of the company. Alright, so here now we have the company name. Bright Vehicles. Okay, see the logo here. If you have a logo, you can still change the logo to your own logo. Alright, Now we have bright vehicles. Bright vehicles, Los Angeles headquarter. Then 123 Main Street City. So just what you have to do is edit it and put the things you need. Now here is the company phone number to reach the company. Just change it and replace it with your own company phone number. Plus 234. If it's the same phone number, you can still add it. 8126 3566 67. All right, just giving an example. Then the website name, if it is still the same website, it can still be the same website, www.brightone.com. You still change it over there and put it too. Okay, www.brightone.com. All right, you can add your tagline here depending on what you have. You want to use it in making your business card, you can add it there and tag it to your business line. Then below here has the poster my wall so you can easily remove it. How you do that is, if you save this business card, then you can take it to Pixel Lab or Canva. Use an image, a white background image, to cover up the poster my wall right up, which is below here. You can use it to cover it up. All right, or once you save this business card, it goes off automatically. So this is just a typical example of a business card. You can just make it. All right, very, very easy. So now we are done with this. Just go over to the save option and save your video. We've made a business card, a catchy business card, which you could use for your business. You download it. Alright, thank you very much guys for watching to the end of this video. I hope you got more value from the video you just watched. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the section box. Okay, so let's wait patiently for the video to download, and once it downloads, it goes to your gallery immediately. So we are done for now. Thank you very much guys.